Ito po si Cinderella, ang inyong buraot na kapitbahay dyan. Siyempre gusto nating isa sa maganda dito sa Australia nung bagong dating pa lang ako, ewan ko, nabasa ko somewhere na pwede kang mag-claim ng mga freebies kapag birthday mo sa ilang mga food shops, ganyan. Food shops? Basta, ganun. Or may mga discounts ineme ka kapag birthday mo, ganyan. Kanina may palibreng pa chamomile tea yung kinainan namin. Kaya ngayon, itry naman natin kung meron tayong mga makukuhang libre dito sa Hobart, Tasmania. Tara! Medyo kinakabahan ako, guys. Tama ba yung gagawin ko? Kaya ba natin, Daddy?
Oh. Sige na, birthday po kayo.
Saan na naman pa ba inaanak, Daddy?
Katigbayad ta.
Agbayad ta? Sure? Muna tayo. First stop namin is Nando's. Pero hindi ako sure. Mabait ni auntie, pero try natin. Para sa inyo. At para sa mga gusto ng malaman kung ano yung freebies. Okay. Receive an email. I'm just wondering if there are some freebies because it's my birthday today.
Happy
Do
birthday!
you still have that offer?
The what?
Freebies for someone who has a birthday?
We don't offer freebies, but we offer $15 off. But we have discount the voucher if you have that voucher.
Okay. So you don't have offer for someone who has like
We
birthday?
offer, but usually you will get it in your email or in your app, like a $15 voucher, and then you'll scan it.
Okay. But I haven't received it in here. So yung una is failed. Kailangan daw ng voucher. $15 daw na free voucher. Kaya hindi ko pa naman siya nare-receive sa aking app. Oh no! Moral lesson, hindi madaling makakuha ng freebies pala dito sa Hobart. Try natin yung next stop natin sa city. Hindi tayo titigil. Ayan, yung unang pinuntahan natin, pinahiya yung beauty ko, mga day. Kasi ako ay queen. At queen ako, matakaw ako. Ako ang queen Sheba nyo. Nakaka-injer na yung babaeng nagsabing hindi ako pwede makakuha ng freebies ng walang voucher, ha. Pero okay lang yan, charot lang, ha. Tara na. Next sa city. Andito na ako sa aking next stop. Pangalawa naman ay yung Boost na store. So tignan natin kung makakapag-claim tayo ng free na Boost juice. Tignan natin. Okay? Huwag tayong mawalan ng pag-asa pag free. Charot. The free birthday Boost juice is still available.
Do you have the scanner thing?
The app?
Yeah. Do you have like the barcode?
Yeah, I do.
And did you have an ID with you?
Yeah, I do.
Oh yeah, she left that there.
So successful siya, guys.
Which thing would you like?
Like chicha?
Yeah, in the large size.
Yes, if that's okay. Ayan, so meron na tayong isang naboda. Thank you. Ito na siya. Patikim ng libre.
Nice.
Sarap, lasang lychee. Okay, number 1. Mission accomplished. Sabi meron daw sa muffin break kaya itry natin. Teka lang, bobelo lang ang ante ninyo. Hindi mas gamit libre. Ne? Ayan. Tatry try natin kung may tatawidan natin yung merienda natin ngayong hapon. Kasi may juice na tayo eh. Kailangan lang natin ng tinapay. Okay. So, I'm just wondering if you still have like giving free muffin for someone who has a birthday or not.
If you don't mind, can you stop again?
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Oh my god!
Ayan, so nakakuha tayo ng free na muffin, di ba? So titikman natin ito, syempre kung masarap. Dahil first time natin nang bumili sa kanila.
Hindi naman bumili.
Ay, first time natin na makakuha ng free. Di saka babalik tayo ulit. Oh, tingnan mo. May mas mutsik ako. Ayan mga kaososero at kaosesera, at successful po ang ating paghanap ng freebies ngayong birthday natin. Nakakuha tayo ng free na Boost Juice. Thank you Boost. Baka naman. At muffin from Muffin Break. Ayan. Mission accomplished ngayong birthday natin. Free merienda.